The food your little one consumes now will impact their future. Whilst many parents don't worry about what their kids eat as long as they're fed, increasing amounts of research are showing us that the first 1,000 days of life until our children's third birthdays programs the future for our kids. Nutrition during these first 1,000 days of life has such a pivotal role in a child's future that we predict that it will be the norm for every maternal child health clinic to have a dietitian on staff. We already see it now. Do you really think the Australian government would provide early intervention funding for dietetic advice through NDIS to young kids who are experiencing developmental delays such as faltering growth, difficulties with texture transition, sensory issues and fussy eating if there wasn't adequate evidence? The research shows that nutrition in this key period influences brain development to impact future learning abilities, the gut microbiota to impact future digestive and mental health issues, the immune system to influence future health predictors, and much, much more. When parents help their little ones dial in their nutrition in these key developmental periods, they're setting their children up to live lives where they're healthy and flourishing. It's so exciting witnessing these cultural changes that prioritise our kids.